Moong Dal Pancake with green chutney. Soak moong dal for about 4 to 5 hours and then grind into fine batter. Add spices, salt to taste, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander seed powder to this batter, some carom seeds, cumin seeds. Mix well. Add the grated vegetables, carrots, bottle gourd and finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Pour this batter on a heated skillet which has been greased with a few drops of oil. Spread into a circular pancake. When it is roasted on one side, gently turn it over to the other side. Ensure that it is roasted well on one side before you turn it over. Lower the flame to medium so that it can cook well. Roast evenly on both sides. Now to prepare chutney, add finely chopped coriander leaves, ginger, lemon juice, cumin seed powder, black salt, coconut finely grated. Add enough water to grind it well in a mixer. And the green chutney is ready. Serve the hot pancakes with this green chutney.